विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. कर्नाटक सरकार, कन्नड आनी सांस्कृतीक इलाका बंगळुरू हांच्यांनी जोडपालवान धारवाडेचो चित्रकार श्री जी.सी. कोटूर हांच्या एक व्यक्ती चित्रकला प्रदर्शनाचें आयोजन आर्ट गॅलरी कळंगूट हांगसर केल्लें. ह्या प्रदर्शनाचें उक्तावण जर्मनीचे कलाकार रुडॉल्फ लुडविंग हांच्या हस्तुकीं जालें. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Mr. Kotur from Dharwad, Karnataka. I am exhibited my painting at Moksha Art Gallery, Goa. This is a sponsorship show from Karnataka Government, Kannada and Culture Department. My exhibition painting was inaugurated by Rudolf Ludwig and Art Gallery owner of the Goa, and president of this program is coming from Dharwad. He is a senior artist B. Maruti sir, president of Chitara Kala Balaga, and chief guest is the owner of the Moksha Art Gallery, Mr. Fernandez sir, and chief guests are coming from Dharwad, Mr. Sharad M. Kamble and Mr. Basuraj M. Puri.
J.C. Kotur is a lecturer in Government Bharatiya Kala Kendra. By his guidance, so many students are developed their skills and they are now famous in Karnataka in art field. He is very interesting about his paintings, his feelings of human feelings, the expressions of the human internal feelings and her surrounding family backgrounds. He is also influenced by those cultural activities he is doing his paintings.